Hello all, welcome to Technostic. In the series of database management system, as we are looking into database system architecture, our today's topic is data independence. So let's get started. So first we'll look up into the definition of data independence. So data independency is the ability to modify a schema definition in one level without affecting a schema definition in the next higher level. So again I repeat, data independence is the ability to modify a schema definition in one level without affecting a schema definition in the next higher level. So there are two types of data independence. The first is physical data independence and the next is logical data independence. So let's first see the physical data independence. So physical data independence allows changing in physical storage devices or organization of file without change in the conceptual view or external view. Modifications at the internal level are occasionally necessary to improve performance. Physical data independence separates conceptual view from the internal level. It is easy to achieve physical data independence. So this was all about physical data independence. Next we'll look up into logical data independence. So logical data independence is the ability to modify the conceptual schema without requiring any change in the application programs. Conceptual schema can be changed without affecting the existing external schema. Modifications at the logical level are necessary whenever the logical structure of the database is altered. Logical data independence separates external level from conceptual view. It is difficult to achieve logical data independence. So this is all about data independence. Let's just revise very quickly. So data independence is ability to modify a schema definition in one level without I've written here correctly. Schema definition in one level without affecting a definition in next higher level. There are two types of data independence. First is physical, next is logical. The main difference is that it is easy to achieve physical data independence while it is difficult to achieve logical data independence. Physical data independence allows changing in physical storage devices or organizations of file without change in conceptual view and external view, while as logical data independence is the ability to modify the conceptual schema without requiring any change in the application program or affecting the existing external schema. So that was all about this lecture. Thank you for watching this video. Please stay tuned for more such content to our channel. Please do like, share and subscribe our channel. Press the bell button to get the latest video notifications to our channel. Thank you.